Hello and good morning. It is the 10th day of February 2017, and as it is approaching a quarter after 9 in the morning, the volatility for what has been 12 plus hours on the trading is in at 0.75%, probably to go higher, but not that much higher, I would expect. It does look as if this does have legs to have an up day. As I've heard in poker before, and I'm sure many other people have played as well, does the story make sense? And this is in regards to if someone's betting patterns to whether they might be bluffing, or in some cases if they have an amazing monster hand, as they say. And when you look at all the factors, you put the story together and it becomes clear at times. And what I like about this 18 average band is it helps me put the story together, because you get all of these support tests each time in a bull market. It usually makes a higher high. This was one of the times where it didn't. But we're seeing here support test, and this was a higher high. And where does it stand now? Within the 0.74% volatility. Well, the session has come in at the 18 average of highs. As of the recording of this, the very short term, the 1 minute, 5 minute time frame is starting to break out. And the time is that of 9:13, which means the US markets open at 9:30. And although silver can often get going at 8 o'clock, even 6 or 7 in the morning, it usually will when the US markets open. But if it's not that much, you'd get a day like a 1.3% move, which would either mean it would start maybe moving higher and maybe not yet get to this high, maybe do such on Monday or break the high even. And there still could be further correction that could even keep this bullishness in trend, where maybe it comes down a bit to the 18 average of closes, or between the closes and the lows. And then if it rebounds from there, well, the story will be the same: successful support within the band. I would still like to see a move up to around at least this 50% retracement point to ensure that a healthy, deeper pullback to this previous resistance would be very strong. Because the contrary is, if it tops now and it manages to find support, which isn't that deep right now, and this isn't that much of a breakout, I'd be saying, on the situation if it starts to roll over. The momentum, although not strong, maybe light, is more bullish right now than it is bearish. It looks to me as if it's going to continue this trend and, well, maybe at least make a move to this 18, because a lot of times it's been barely making the higher highs, but at least to test and probably breach above the previous one. So thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day.